Question 21. Maltose is a combination of glucose and A. Glucose, B. Sucrose, C. Galactose, D. Fructose. The correct option is A. Glucose. Question 22. Name the blood cells in which nucleus is absent. A. Lymphocytes, B. Blood platelets, C. Monocytes, D. Eosinophil. The correct option is B. Blood platelets. Question 23. A pollutant that is mostly associated with acid rain is A. Nitrogen 4 oxide, B. Ozone, C. Fluorine, D. Carbon 4 oxide. The correct option is A. Nitrogen 4 oxide. Question 24. In the root vascular system, the cell is directly surrounded by the A. Pericycle, B. Cortex, C. Endodermis, D. Parenchyma. The correct option is C. Endodermis. The endodermis, which also contains the pericycle and the xylem tissue. So the correct option is C. Endodermis. Question 25. Pollination is best defined as A. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma, B. Germination of pollen grains, C. Growth of pollen tube in ovule, D. Visiting flowers by insects. The correct option is A. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. Question 26. In the egg of a bird, the embryo is located in the A. Chalaza, B. Yolk, C. Albumin, D. Embryo disc. The correct option is D. Embryo disc. The chalaza helps in suspension of the yolk. The yolk helps in providing major nutrients such as protein to the egg. The albumin too also provides nutrients, protein and water to the egg of the bird, and it also surrounds the embryo. So the correct option is D. The embryo disc. Question 27. Which of the following relationship involves only one organism? A. Saprophytism, B. Commensalism, C. Parasitism, D. Symbiosis. The correct option is B. Commensalism, because in commensalism relationship, only one organism benefits. So that is why it involves only one organism. So the correct option is B. Question 28. The hepatic portal vein is unique because A. It carries the oxygenated blood, B. Begins and ends with capillaries, C. Is the largest vein in animals, D. Carries digested food. The correct option is A. It carries deoxygenated blood. The hepatic portal vein is unique in the sense that it carries blood from the gastrointestinal tract such as the stomach, the gallbladder and other organs in the abdomen, and then now moves this blood to the liver before it gets to the heart. So this particular characteristic makes the hepatic portal vein unique. So the correct option is A. Question 29. A distinguishing feature of mammals is the possession of A. Skin, B. Scale, C. Nail, D. Hair. The correct option is D. Hair. Question 30. Man can contact tapeworm through A. Ingesting uncooked meat, B. From fish, C. From breathing, D. Through contact. The correct option is A. Ingesting uncooked meat. Tapeworms are mostly found in meats that are not properly cooked. So in that way, you ingest tapeworm by eating uncooked meat. So the correct option is A. Question 31. Chambered heart occurs in A. Leech, B. Earthworm, C. Snail, D. Cockroach. The correct option is D. Cockroach. Question 32. An organism which exhibits extracellular digestion is A. Spirogyra, B. Bryophytes, C. Pteridophytes, D. Algae. The question here do not have a correct answer, reason being that the Spirogyra, the Bryophytes, Pteridophytes, including the algae, do not exhibit extracellular digestion. But examples of organisms that exhibit extracellular digestion is fungi, and also have higher mammals and autotrophs organisms. So it do not have an answer. Question 33. The gland that is present close to trachea: A. Pancreas, B. Liver, C. Cadrenal, D. Thyroid. The correct option is D. Thyroid, because the thyroid gland is the gland that is seen present close to the trachea. Question 34. Botany is also known as A. Phytology, B. Phycology, C. Pedology, D. Plantophyta. The correct option is A. Phytology. Question 35. Thicker disease is related with the crop: A. Mustard, B. Paddy, C. Groundnut, D. All of these solutions. The correct option is C. Groundnut. The thicker disease is a disease that is associated with groundnut, and it is caused by fungi. It shows symptoms like dark colors seen on the groundnut leaves. Question 36. The yellowish colored liquid component of blood that normally holds the blood cells in suspension is A. Serum, B. Plasma, C. Water, D. Thrombocytes. The correct option is B. Plasma. The plasma constitutes about 50% of nutrients in the blood. It also contains other nutrients like protein, water, waste products, etc. Question 37. The hormone that helps in parthenocarpy: A. Abscisic acid, B. Gilberellin, C. Ethylene, D. Cytokinin. The correct option is B. Gilberellin. Parthenocarpy are fruits that are formed without fertilization. Examples of those fruits are banana, pineapple, grape, etc. Question 38. Which part provides food for the developing chick? The question is incomplete because it does not have any diagram here. Question 39. The vitamin which is important for the formation of the retinal pigment is A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. The correct option is A. Vitamin A. Question 40. Physiological adaptation to very dry conditions in animal demonstrates A. Hibernation, B. Xeromorphism, C. Estivation, D. Rejuvenation. The correct option is B. Xeromorphism. Question 41. If a child can receive blood from all donors, he belongs to the blood group A. O, B. A, C. B, D. AB. The correct option is D. AB, because the child is a universal recipient, and universal recipients can receive blood from all donors. So the correct option is D. AB. Question 42. The movement of the whole organism to an external stimulus is termed A. Trumpis, B. Taxis, C. Nastic movement, D. Phototropic movement. The correct option is B. Taxis movement. Question 43. The function of peat in plants is A. Absorb mineral salt and nutrients from the soil, B. Pith or medulla is a tissue in the stems of vascular plants. Pith is composed of soft, spongy parenchymal cells which store and transport nutrients throughout the plant. C. trap chlorophyll from sunlight. D. Removal of waste product from the plant. The correct option is A. Absorb mineral salt and nutrient from the soil. Question 44. The hygrometer is used for measuring A. Relative humidity, B. Specific gravity, C. Rainfall, D. Salinity. The correct option is A. Relative humidity. Question 45. The four classes of cnidarian include the following except A. Tubellaria, B. Anthozoa, C. Scyphozoa, D. Cubozoa. The correct option is A. Tubellaria. Question 46. A plant tissue that carries water and mineral salt is A. Xylem, B. Cortex, C. Phloem, D. Cambium. The correct option is A. Xylem. The xylem tissue is a tissue that is responsible for the transport of water and mineral salts to part of the plant. Question 47. The role of scolex in tapeworm is to A. Excretion, B. Attachment to the host, C. Movement, D. Breathing. The correct option is B. Attachment to the host. Question 48. Ozone hole refers to A. Hole in ozone layer, B. Decrease in the ozone layer in troposphere, C. Decrease in thickness of ozone layer in stratosphere, D. Increase in the thickness of ozone layer in troposphere. The correct option is C. Decrease in thickness of ozone layer in stratosphere. Question 49. Paramecium move with cilia while euglena move with A. Flagella, B. Contractile vacuole, C. Hair, D. Plasma membrane. The correct option is A. Flagella. Question 50. Number of eyes found in earthworm is A. 1, B. Many, C. No eye, D. 2. The correct option is C. No eye. Earthworms do not have eye, but they possess what is called the photoreceptors that are found in their head region that helps them to detect light. So the correct option is C. No eye. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in our next video.